How to verify your Etsy account. Now in order to verify your Etsy account, you just simply need to open your mailbox and log into email account which you have used in order to create an account in Etsy. And after opening that email account, you will see all of the mails in there and you will see the mail saying confirm your Etsy account. If you cannot find this mail, you can search into the emails in order to find this email from Etsy. Just simply open this email and after that tap to confirm account. Now after tapping to confirm account, it will open a link in your browser and that will automatically confirm your account is created in Etsy. So that is how you can confirm by coming to your mail and finding out the mail from the Etsy and tapping into confirm account. Your mail or the account will successfully be confirmed in Etsy. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.